Are you tired of feeling confused and overwhelmed when you receive your lab test results? It's time to crack the code and decode your lab test report in 2024. Lab test reports can be complex and intimidating, but understanding them is crucial for your health. Let's break it down step by step. First, look at the patient information section to ensure all details are correct. Next, review the test names and results to see what was tested and the corresponding values. Pay attention to the reference ranges provided to understand if your results fall within normal limits. If your results are outside the range, it could indicate a potential health issue. Don't forget to read any notes or comments from the healthcare provider for further insights. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for clarification. By decoding your lab test report, you can take control of your health and make informed decisions with your healthcare team. Stay informed, stay proactive, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.